Welcome. In this video, I'm going to guide you through the simple steps on how to find the community admins on WhatsApp for PC using the new update. If you've just joined a community and want to know who manages it, or if you need to reach out to an admin for help, this tutorial will walk you through everything clearly. First, open the WhatsApp application on your computer. Make sure you're using the latest version of WhatsApp for PC so you can access all the new update features. Once the app opens, head straight to your chat list on the left side of the screen. From here, look for the community you're interested in and click to open it. Communities are easy to spot because they usually group multiple related chats together under one title. When you select the community, the main page of that community will appear. Next, look at the top where the community's name is displayed. Click on the name itself. This will open up the community information page. Inside this section, you'll see everything related to that specific community, from group details to notification settings. Now scroll until you see the Members option. Click on it to enter the full members list of the community. At the very top of this list, you will see the admins clearly labeled. These are the people who created or currently manage the community. Their names will always appear first before the regular members, making it easy to identify them. That's all it takes. With just a few clicks, you can quickly find out who the admins are in any community on WhatsApp for PC. This feature comes in handy if you need to contact an admin for approval, guidance, or just to clear up questions in your community. So now you know the updated method. Open WhatsApp on PC, choose your community, click on the name, go to Members, and there you'll see the admins at the top. It's that straightforward, and it saves you time trying to figure it out on your own.